I'm not sure how well you can see this, but these are the stripped down forms of random cubes that I've chosen. Actually, not quite random. The top two are 10 cubes with the 10 for the central ghost number, and down here is 24 for this central ghost number, and 24 is a little bit hard to tell for that central ghost number. And like for instance, this 10 with the outer ghost number is 30. I got that from this one. 10 in the middle, ghost numbers on the outside 30. That 1000, the one with the 10 in the middle and the 1000 outer ghost numbers, I got that from here. And the 24 with the 72 on the outside, I got that from I got that from I got that from here. No, I didn't. 24. I got that from here. And multiplication, that was addition. This multiplication with the 24 in the middle and the 13824, I got that from here. So, but the only thing to take away from all this is that if you strip down, if you take out the central cube, you can imagine a diamond shape connecting the outer secondary, or these numbers, the blue numbers, that make up this diamond. And this is another validation for the central ghost number, because 4 plus 6 plus 0 on this triangle, plus 10 plus 4 plus 0 plus 6 at this triangle, all equal 30, going down to here and going up to here, commutative property. So it's these triangular, this is the part to take away from this, that the triangular facets of this diamond all add up to 10 on this side, for instance. Then you have the 10 central ghost number, and then back here you have a 4 and a 0 and a 6, which marks out this triangular on the back side 10. So all these added together is 30 on this side and 30 down here on this back side. And that's the same thing with this. You have a 10 central ghost number, you have 1000 outer ghost number, but this is multiplication. 2 times 5 times 1 is 10. And if you times that by 10, it's 100. And then 5 times 1 times 2 is another 10. So you times 100 by 10, and that's 1000 on both sides. And also the front side, 1000. Out here, 2 times 5 times 1 is 10. Times the central ghost number is 100, times the backside 5, 1, and 2 is 10. So times 100 by 10, that's 1000 on the backside. Through all these other triangles, triangle facets of this diamond, or I'm not sure if you call them facets, surfaces of this diamond, this central diamond inside the stripped down form. So that's another validation for the central ghost numbers and they all add up in triples to the outer ghost numbers going straight through. So that's yet another form of validation for the inner ghost numbers and the outer ghost numbers. So, and this is a real quick shot of these same things. The original full cubes are in white wood painted, and the stripped down versions are these colorful red, blue, and yellow stick figures. So these are all the stuff on my ceiling that I try to produce down here. And so this is the stripped down forms of the cube. Well, thanks a lot.